Okay, with this sequence problem, it's a lot like the F inverse problems. We're not asked to find A of 1 or A of 2, which is just plug in 1 or plug in 2. We're not asked to find the actual sequence term. We're asked to find what term is negative 155. So the way we're going to do that, we're looking for the n that would give us a value of negative 155. Again, just like what we did before with our F inverses. To solve this, we simply subtract 4. That gives me negative 3n equals 159. Divide by 3, that gives me n is 53. So the 53rd term in the sequence would be negative 155. Let's do one that's actually geometric sequence. So we're looking for what term number would give me 388. So that's going to be 3 times 2 to the n power plus 4 is equal to 388. To solve this, let's subtract 4 first. 3 times 2 to the n equals 384. Let's divide by 3. That's going to be 2 to the n power equals 128. So you can do this a couple of different ways. You could change this to a base 2 if you wanted to. However, I'm going to solve it with logarithms. That's going to be log base 2 of 128 is equal to n. If you would like to, you can type that in as the log of 128 divided by the log of 2, and that's going to equal 7. Now, be cautious about these because you do, on these type problems, you do have domain restrictions because you can't find, if the answer had been 6.3, you don't have a 6.3 term. You have a first term, second term, third term. You're talking about the terms in the sequence. So this has to be a whole number. It also can't be a negative. You can't have a negative 3 term. So therefore, you do have a domain restrictions when you're talking about sequences.